Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a TV timer on Sharp Android TV. To do it, go to the settings in top right corner, then go to device preferences and go to timer. Now you can set power on time and power off time, so you can enable the power on schedule and power off schedule. So let's go to power on time type. This name is weird, but it's just like you can enable the power on schedule here. So let's enable it, and you can enable it by setting it to on, so it'll do it every day, or once. So if you set it once, it'll just do it once, then revert itself back to off. I'll do it on. Then auto power on time can be set, basically the hour that you want to power it on. I think it's like extremely useful if you, for example, have some sort of a restaurant that displays a menu on a TV and you just want the TV to turn on automatically without your input. So I think that's gonna be great. I'm gonna set it to 8 AM, then power off time type, and you can also enable it or set it to once, and also set the power off time type. So I'll also set it. Okay, let's do it like that. Yeah, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.